Sweet. Sweet. The dessert was a bit too sweet for my liking. Sour. Sour. These plums are a bit sour. I love the sour taste of limes. Bitter. Bitter. Black coffee leaves a bitter taste in the mouth. Dark chocolate naturally has a more bitter taste than milk chocolate. Salty. Salty. This bacon is too salty for me. Spicy. Spicy. Ever since she was a child, she has had a predilection for spicy food. A lot of Thai food is hot and spicy. Bland. Insipid. Tasteless. Flavorless. Weak. Bland. Bland. The soup is very bland, it could use more herbs and spices. Insipid. Insipid. He was drinking an insipid light beer. Tasteless. Tasteless. The boiled chicken is practically tasteless. Flavorless. Flavorless. These tomatoes from the grocers are flavorless. Weak. Weak. I can't stand drinking weak tea. Watery. Watery. The soup was thin and watery. The tea was too watery. Dry. Dry. This cake's a bit dry. I think I left it in the oven for too long. You mix all the dry ingredients together before you add the milk. Strong. Flavorful. Stiff. Strong. Strong. This coffee is too strong for me. Flavorful. Flavorful. These berries are so flavorful. Stiff. Stiff. He felt like he needed a stiff drink after such a frightening accident. Whisk the egg whites until stiff. Pungent. Pungent. They put a tray of garlic bread into the oven and the pungent smell of warming cheese filled the room. Yummy. Tasty. Palatable. Yummy. Yummy. I think I'll have some more of that yummy chocolate cake. Tasty. Tasty. This rice porridge is very tasty. Palatable. Palatable. Add a few herbs to make a beef stew more palatable. Savory. Savory. The savory odor of the meat made me hungry long before the tables were set. Creamy. Creamy. The chocolate mousse was smooth and creamy. smooth, smooth. This custard is deliciously smooth and creamy. Mashed, mashed. She poured gravy over her mashed potatoes. Hot, hot. The soup is very hot. The last time I had it, my mouth was burning for about 15 minutes. Soggy, soggy. These cornflakes get soggy really fast in milk. I hate it when cereal goes soggy. Mushy, mushy. Cook the lentils until they are mushy. Mealy, mealy. I hate mealy apples and mealy tomatoes. Firm, firm. These guavas are still too firm to eat. Tender, tender. Continue cooking until the meat is tender. Juicy, juicy. The pineapple was sweet and juicy. Crispy, crispy. Fried chicken is crispy. Chips are crispy. Crunchy, crunchy. Crackers are crunchy. Stringy, stringy. The meat was tough and stringy. Rubbery, rubbery. The cheese wasn't very nice, it was rubbery. Chewy, chewy. The meat was tasteless and chewy. Flaky, flaky. My second attempt at making flaky pastry was a bit more successful. Greasy, greasy. These French fries are too greasy. Rich, rich. It was more like a rich cake made with sweet potato. Light, light. Nice cafe, the food is good for a light snack. We were looking for a light snack before bed. Ripe, ripe. Are the mangoes ripe enough to eat yet? Undercooked, undercooked. People can become infected after eating raw or undercooked meat. Overcooked, overcooked. The chicken was overcooked and dry.